आज हम देखेंगे some definition, barrier voltage, transition capacitance and diffusion capacitance. First is barrier voltage. Due to presence of negative and positively charged ions, an electric potential VV is established across the junction, called as junction or barrier potential or cut-in voltage. This voltage acts as barrier to holes and electrons and thus called as barrier voltage. Junction capacitance. Capacitance are of two types. First is transition capacitance and diffusion capacitance. Transition capacitance and diffusion capacitance. In a PN junction diode, there are two types of capacitive effects. Both types are present in the forward and reverse bias condition, but one type of so much outweighs the other in each condition that we need to consider the net effects of only one in each condition. Transition capacitance. In the reverse bias region, there is a depletion region free of charge carrier. It has high resistivity. This region is sandwiched between two regions, the P and N regions away from the junction of relatively low resistivity. The P and N regions act like the plates of a capacitor and the depletion region acts like a dielectric. This effective capacitance is called transition or depletion capacitance (CT). The value of CT is of the order of U peak of, as we shall see later. This effect is utilized in a varactor diode. The above effect is also present in the forward bias condition. However, these effects is overshadowed by another capacitive effect. When forward bias is applied, the potential barrier is reduced. A large number of majority carriers across the junction. On the other side of the junction, these carriers become minority carriers. Examples: in P region, electrons will be injected from the N region across the junction. These carriers diffuse away from the junction and progressively recombine. It means that the density of these carriers is high near the junction and it reduces as we go away from the junction. It is as if the charge is stored on both sides of the depletion region, and as happened in case of a truth capacitor, the amount of this stored charge varies with the applied potential. The above effect of stored charge in a forward bias PN junction results in a capacitance called storage or diffusion capacitance, that is CD. The value of CD is of the order of several hundred picofarads. It increases rapidly with forward bias voltage. It is in fact directly proportional to the diode current. Note uh, that the transition capacitance CT is created due to maturity carrier and is effective under reverse bias. On the other hand, the diffusion capacitance CD is created due to the motion and storage of minority carriers and has dominating effects and forward bias. Thank you.